Hey everyone, Chris and Tanya here with Clutter Reduction Junk Removal in Palm Beach County, Florida. We are at a two-story villa townhome. I don't know what these things are called, but there's a lot of them in Florida. And we gave an estimate a couple of weeks ago. We've been dealing with the family members as far as defining the estimate. Very tricky situation. It's like a mild hoarder situation. It's not like dirty, but there's a lot of stuff on the ground that you're walking on to get around. And they hired us to basically go in there and bag it all up and remove it. The family members were down here doing it themselves and they were running out of time, and that's why they called us. And we were the cheapest quote out of us, a hoarder specialist, and somebody else that we never received any information about. So I don't know, but we are here now. We're gonna start bagging everything up. I was gonna bring the trailer and the lights are not working again, so I'm gonna just throw the trailer into a ditch. If anyone's looking for a trailer, I'll let you know where it ends up. Half kidding. And we're just gonna use the truck bed and stuff it full of bags. It's all gonna be trash bags of paper, magazines, and just trash. So just gonna stuff it up as much as I can. We're like 15 minutes away from home. We'll run home, drop it all off, come back, and hopefully we can make this fit into very full truckloads. That's my goal. So we're just getting all of our equipment right now and we will get started. So we aren't doing like everything. We're really just taking the stuff on the floors. They had gone in and done a lot of the first floor, which is what you're looking at now. But we're literally just picking up these scraps and the trash on the ground. Upstairs is the majority of it. So like all this on the hallway floor needs to go. Any books that we find, we put off to the side. Magazines are trash. Any loose mail that's already on the ground is trash. Wires and things like that all for the most part stays unless it looks like it's obvious trash. Any pill bottles or any just, trash, that's all going. Everything else stays. So we're not taking any furniture, we're not removing any electronics, we're not taking shoes, nothing of that nature. And we're not taking anything on the bed, nothing on the dressers, in the dressers, on the little TV stand there. Everything on something stays. It's strictly what's on the floor. And this pile of hangers, let me tell you, this thing sucked. This thing took us like 2 hours on its own to do because they're all tangled up. We had to bring trash cans, they don't fit in the bags. It was a pain in the butt. Everything else about this job, super easy, just time consuming. I actually enjoyed this bathroom specifically because it felt like a pure junk removal, just before and after time lapse situation. And it just felt really rewarding as I went and like watched the floor come to life. So maybe that's just weird on my part, but I really enjoyed it.